Hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new in this channel, I hope that you will not forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you will always be updated with all of the US visa news and update which I am going to share with you. And I'm going to try my best to share it with you with all clarity so that you will be able to understand every single detail when it comes to new policies, new visa application process, and even traveling going to the United States. I am here. Sagot ko kayo. Teacher Noy is here to help you because I believe that if you are prepared, ye shall not fear. So, sagot na natin ang inyong preparation. Just watch all my videos and I hope that you will be able to learn a lot of things that you are going to use for your US visa application. Marami po kayong matututunan. You will be able to read also in the comments all of the experiences of my subscribers who were able to get their US visa. Kaya if you are preparing or just planning to get your US visa, you are in the right channel. You may be able to get all of the information that you need for free. So stay there, right there. Do not skip anything. Do not go to the next video because I will be sharing to you all of the information that you need. Okay? Earlier this week, I was able to post a video about the bond, hindi po si James Bond ha, about a bond which you are going to pay if you are a B1, B2 visa holder. And this bond is an amount that you're going to pay if you want to go to the United States starting August 20, 2025. And what is the reason for them to do this bond? As a matter of fact, this bond is like a security deposit wherein you are going to pay it to the US government, and if you are going home after your trip with flying colors, you will receive the bond that you have paid, or it will be returned to you. Ibabalik lang po ito sa inyo. However, the big question is, what countries are included in the list for this bond? Kasi syempre, kung kasali ang Pilipinas, I told you already na mahihirapan na tayong pumunta sa United States. Kasi $5,000 to $15,000 lang naman ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. If we are going to change it from dollar to peso, we are talking about 200 plus thousand pesos to 800 plus thousand pesos. Konti na lang, milyones na. Okay? And, sabi ko nga sa previous video ko, if this is the case, the chance of going to the United States will become difficult for those who are middle to low class earners in the Philippines. Kasi hindi naman tayo lahat merong ganong klaseng pera. Given that this money will be returned to you the moment that you go back to the Philippines, yung pagpapakita pa lang ng perang ito is something that I'm sure will be really difficult for a normal citizen in the Philippines. However, hindi tayo pwedeng magreklamo because this policy is created by the US government for them to protect their country from people who are doing illegal stuff. We cannot deny the fact that there are a lot of people who are applying for a tourist visa in the United States, but hindi naman pagiging turista ang kanilang iniisip gawin pagpunta doon. Some of them are thinking of staying for a very long time just for them to earn money. And we cannot judge them naman. And also, we cannot judge the US government for imposing this kind of strict policy for those people who wants to go to the United States. Wala tayong pwedeng husgahan sa kanila. But we have the power to change this. The future travelers going to the United States, you have the power to change this. Okay? Let's talk about that later. But now, here comes the good news. Wow, lakas, di ba? Because I told you that I'm going to give you an update regarding this because I'm sure that you are all wondering and thinking right now, and I'm really sorry for causing you this kind of a situation. Ayaw ko naman po kayong ma-stress, but I really want to share to you information which are really important and helpful so that you will know the plans or steps that you're going to take para hindi naman po kayo maproblema or lalong mahassle when it comes to your US travel this year. But again, for our good news, okay, makinig ng mabuti, the countries which are included in the list who will be part of the 12-month pilot program of this US visa bond or US bond are first, Malawi, not Marawi, Malawi country, and Zambia. May susunod pa ba? Wala na po. Okay? As of now, dalawa pa lang po ang mga bansang kasali. Because if we're going to look at the report of overstaying, ang mga bansang pong ito ang merong highest, okay, percentage of travelers who were overstaying in the United States. Okay? Congrats! Hindi po kasama ang Pilipinas. Ang Pilipinas naman po ay merong 3 point something or 3% na percentage of overstaying based on the number of travelers coming from the Philippines. Medyo maliit lang po siyang percentage. However, we need to talk about this so that you will be able to understand. You need to understand the future results of your wrongdoings. Okay? Now, ano bang implication nito? Kasi this kind of pilot program of telling people na magbabayad sila ng bond if they want to go to the United States, hindi lang po sila limited, hindi lang po sila ini-impose na magbabayad ng bond. They are also instructed strictly to take only ang kanilang entry at exit point ay 3 airports lang po. Okay? In the whole United States. So magiging limited din ang kanilang access entering the United States. Magiging limited din ang kanilang access entering the United States. Also, if they are not going to follow that, halimbawa sinabi nila, I am not going to enter United States through these 3 airports, mafo-forfeit po ang kanilang pagbayad ng bond at hindi na makakabalik. Sayang, di ba? That's a very big amount of money. And I'm sure that it will be difficult, especially for someone who is not earning that much at hindi naman po mayaman, paano na if ma-forfeit at ma-deport pa sila sa kanilang bansa. Now, this one, ito pong part na ito ng aking video that I'm going to share with you. I hope na hindi po tayo maging masyadong relax. We Filipinos, even if we're not part of this list, wag po tayong maging relax. Kasi based on the article that I read doon sa businessmirror.com, kung saan it's businessmirror.com, sinabi doon na the Philippines is not included at least for now. It means, dyan po sa duration ng 12-month program na yan, they will be releasing additional countries. They will be releasing additional countries which will be included in the 12-month program, pilot program of this policy. So hopefully that the Philippines will not be part of this kind of new policy. Kaya ano po ang dapat nating gawin? To all those Filipinos who are watching and preparing going to the United States, I hope that when you are planning to go to the United States, please follow their rules. Kung pupunta po kayo doon at ang inyo pong visa ay for tourists, ang gawin nyo po ay para lang sa mga turista. At kung kailan po kayo pupunta at kung kailan po kayo dapat bumalik, sundin nyo po. Okay? Meron po tayong iba't ibang klaseng visa at ito pong mga visa pong ito, it has different purposes. And if your purpose there is to become a tourist, then go there as a tourist. Wala na pong mga hidden agenda. Do not do anything that will ruin not only your reputation but our country's reputation. Kasi sino ba ang magsasuffer? All of us will suffer with your own action. Sana, di ba, kung ang iyong action ay para sa iyo lang, ang consequence nito ay sa iyo lang, edi okay lang. But because we are being labeled already, one action is already considered as an action of many. Mahirap naman po yun kasi kung titingnan natin, meron pa rin pong mga Pilipino na katulad natin na gustong pumunta sa United States para mag-enjoy at hindi para gumawa ng kahit na anong kalokohan. So hopefully that this will serve as a reminder for everyone who are planning to do something that is illegal or something that is unlawful. Isipin na lang po natin yung mga kapwa niyong Pilipino who want to go to the United States with clean and pure intention of what they are applying for. They will not impose this kind of policy dahil trip lang nila. Meron po itong pinaghuhugutan at pinagbabasehan. At yung pinaghuhugutan at pinagbabasehan po nila ay actions din po ng mga nauna sa atin. Kaya tayo naman po na mga future travelers to the United States, wag na po nating gawin, okay, yung mga bagay na hindi dapat natin gawin. If you want to work to the United States, gawin nyo po ng maayos. There are agencies available which you can apply and they can give you work kung yun po ang inyong plano. Huwag nyo na pong gamiting vessel ang tourist visa o kung ano pang mga visa ngayon para lang po makuha ang inyong mga hidden agenda. Kasi hindi lang po kayo nagsasuffer. Marami po ang mga nagsasuffer. Okay? I hope that you are going to learn something from this. And I hope that I was able to give you a clear direction when it comes to your dream of going to the United States. Hindi ko naman po kayo pinapagalitan. And this is just a reminder from Teacher Noy that your action as a Filipino is a reflection of what will happen to your country. Okay? Hindi lamang po ito action mo. Ito ay action na re-resulta sa iyong mga kababayan. So, please don't be selfish. Okay? Huwag maging selfish. Don't just be greedy and think of yourself. Think of others also. And let's thank God for this blessing that we receive. Ano ba yung blessing na na-receive natin? Yung hindi lang natin pagiging part ng mga magbabayad ng bond, that is already a miracle and a big blessing coming from the Lord. So, we always need to be grateful for all of the things that the Lord are giving us, especially this one. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you have learned something and I hope that you have realized something that you should not do. Diba? Thank you so much. This is me again, Teacher Noy. Bye everyone. Hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video and this is your first time watching Teacher Noy, please do not forget to click my image below and subscribe in this channel. And if you're still interested in watching for more videos, there are so many choices here in this site. Please do not forget to support Teacher Noy. Like, subscribe, watch, and comment. And if possible, share it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.